Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and today we are opening a package that I ordered from Tino, vo.tino, T-I-N-O, on Instagram. This is in here, shipping department, Dreamtime Creations, Inc. It's in Aurora, Missouri. So I'm going to cut this open. I have not opened it yet. These are pigments that I ordered off his website. So we are going to dive in together, see my order, throw this around. Oh my god, look at them. Free sample, Crystal AB Flat, CHATON. Let's take a gander. Oh, look at how pretty those are. I won't be using those anytime soon. You'll be putting these up for sure. Dreamtime Creation Crystal. Dreamtime Crystals. Free sample. Thank you, Tino. Here's the card that came with Dreamtime Crystals Multi-Layer Hybrid. 24 facets in total. Uses a flat back hot fix and no hot fix. Free sample. 20% brighter, lead free. How cool. And then it's got the address there at the bottom. You want to screenshot that? Let me get it so it's in frame and okay. Look how pretty. Okay, my order. What's it say here? Please be aware that most items are sold by weight and are not hand counted, therefore maybe I ordered TV Super Pigments, multicolor, one piece, $25. Your order was filled by and checked by, it does not say. Thank you for your lives on IG, I've learned so much. And that was my comment to him. So we're going to put these aside. Look at those. There are 12 pigments. Oh my god, look at that purple. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta get in this. And the boxes don't go well together, and I want to save the box. I gotta figure out something to put these in so that they're, I guess I could pop them backwards, maybe? Maybe? So let's take these puppies out. There are so many beautiful shades. It's just, oh, there's white. The white pigments. I think it'd be a white one. So I'm gonna pop these over so you can see all the beautiful colors. I do not know what gram these are. It does not say anywhere in the paperwork. Super Pigments, it says Super Pigments. This is what you look up on Instagram. vo.tino. That is how you find him on IG. He does lives multiple times a week. They're like 3-4 hours long. Let me see if it tells you. No, it does not. I don't know what. It says these are sold by weight. So I don't know. Oh my god, look at that blue. Oh. Oh, of course. Don't want our pigments getting about. Gotta be sealed. Oh, shoot. See if I can get my tweezers to lift this up for us. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I gotta look at the purple. I gotta look at the purple. Oh, look at this. I gotta open up that one too. I want to do a little demo. A little demo. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, did you see what I just did? Oh my god. I was hoping there were makeup applicators in here because I don't have any out. Let me pause and see if I can find something. Okay, we are back. I've got a paper towel. I've got 3 nails here. I'm going to be using these 4 pigments. So let me take these over. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. So beautiful. And I've got what I think is pink. This beautiful, beautiful green. Oh my goodness. I have these all over me. Oh. I didn't open the green. Green's already been opened for us. So what I'm gonna do is I think on the white nail, I found one brush. One applicator. So yeah. I do have a stiff brush here that, if need be, I'm going to use that. But I'm going to, let's see, go down the middle. And these are so heavily pigmented. You want to rub, tap. I just got this stuff all over. All over. Down the center of the tube. Come back up through with that. We're going to use this brush now for the pink. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Go. And we got our purple left. This is gonna be, oh, look at this purple. Oh. Tap, tap, tap. Get my fluffy brush. I'm gonna brush off screen. Look at that. It's not what I wanted to do, but that is beautiful. Now, according to Never Naked Nail Art Gel, because this is, oh, this is on gel. I should just be able to top coat this. Let me see. This is going to be trial and error here. I know on lacquer, I need to put a sealer first. I'm sorry, I'm top coating in gel. Look how stunning those are. I'm going to put these in the lamp. I'm going to plug my lamp in. Now, Lord, I don't know if I can do this. I want to stamp. I want to do here on a nail. But I can't really do it on this nail. So let me get my opaque. That's not that. What is it? Here it is. My opaque white sticky stamping polish by She Modern. Then we go with the little one here. Where's my stampers put away? I didn't think I was going to get my stamper last night, so I put it away. Get your card. Take off your excess that you don't want on the nail. You got a perfect pickup. You're going to go in here. We have a little bit left on the tip here. Beautiful. Now, let's see what we got. Blue. This is really sticky. So I'm going to tap this. We've got green on the other side. I'm going to brush these off camera. See how stunning those are? Beautiful. I'm going to top coat this as well. Oh, that's a matte top coat. I don't like glossy. I want my glossy top coat. I'm a glossy kind of gal. I'm gonna put this in the lamp for 60 and pull out my other. Or not 60, I'll put it in for 30. Look at this. Look at that. Now I want to do something. Tap, tap, tap. I'm going to tap this down the nail, then I'm going to rub it. And just over the whole nail, or the half. Move my plate. The sides, cuticle the tip. Going for your green. I think these are stunning colors. Just stunning. I'm so glad I got these. So glad. And you don't need a heavy hand. Okay, we see this. I'm gonna go in. I'm going to brush my plate off. I'm gonna go in with my white opaque on the next line here. I think it's this one. Where's my stamper? Hello, Tokyo. This is scraping card. Take off the excess. Did not quite go to the tip, unfortunately. So now what we're going to do, we're going to do the reverse. Do the reverse. whatnot. Tap, tap, tap. Let me get my, where's my fluffy brush? Here we go. Ta-da! Ta-da! I'm gonna top coat. This is trending really big time right now to do with the nails like this. Some girls are using strictly gel, some are using strictly pigments. Whoa. That's way too much polish. Way too much. I think that looks really cool. Really cool. So I'm gonna pop this one in the lamp, give it a full 30, I'm gonna only give it a 30-second cure. Here are 2 nails so far. I'm gonna pause, clean my mess up, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Our nails are finished. They are top coated. Remember, this is gel. I think they turned out really sweet looking. This is done, no polish, just pigments and sticky stamping polish, which is water-based. Which I think has turned out beautiful. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let me comment down below. This one needs a better magnet. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Pigments by Tino, as well as my little demos here. Oh, I got something to show you. Look what I did. Look what I did. I think these turned out really cute. Really super cute. Now, over lacquer, you need a sealer, a water-based sealer, because if not, when you top coat, it will smear like the thumb did. Unfortunately, but these turned out splendid. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my demos here for today. These are 12 colors by Tino. He is out of Aurora, Missouri. Catch him on Instagram. He does lives multiple times a week, a couple times a day sometimes. Look for vo.tino. Just like what here is on the box. Look him up. You won't be disappointed. He is an awesome, awesome teacher. He is hilarious. He's got a great personality. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.